Let's speak English. Hello, guys, and welcome back once again to Greggy Easy English for another very interesting and beautiful English class. Well, in today's class, I'm going to talk about the pronoun one. I'm going to talk about the pronoun one. Those who are watching this video and who are not already subscribed to my channel, so this is the right moment right now to subscribe and share the link with all your friends. Okay, guys. So let's start our class after 1 minute. Hey guys, I'm back. Let's get started. As I just said, in today's class, I'm going to talk about the pronoun one. I'm going to talk about the pronoun one. Before we start, I want to tell you that the word one is a cardinal number when you count. When you count, one is a cardinal number. So if I say one car, one house, one person, now one is a cardinal number because I'm counting. But we can also use the word one as a pronoun. Before we understand one as a pronoun, I want to tell you that pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that we use to replace a noun. Okay, guys, now let's understand the word one as a pronoun. One is used as a pronoun to replace a noun that is already mentioned in the sentence. We use the word one as a pronoun to replace a noun that is already repeated in the sentence in order to avoid repetition. In order to avoid repetition in the sentence, we use the word one. Okay, let's take an example. The black car is expensive and the blue car is cheap. Look, guys, in this sentence, I repeated the word car twice. I repeated the word car twice. So it's not really good to speak English like that. It is not really good to make repetition when you are speaking English. So to avoid this repetition, you can use the word one as a pronoun to replace the word car that is already mentioned in the sentence. No need to say the black car is expensive and the blue car is cheap. No, you can just say the black car is expensive and the blue one is cheap. Now you use the word one to replace the word car that you already mentioned in the sentence. Don't speak English like that. Don't say the black car is expensive and the blue car is cheap. Now you repeat the word car 2 times. So it doesn't make any sense. If you speak English like that, that does not mean the American is not going to understand. That does not mean you don't speak English, but there is something that you don't understand. There is a grammar that you don't know. That is a grammar that you don't understand. So you can use the word one to replace the noun that is already mentioned in your sentence. You can just say the black car is expensive and the blue one is cheap. Okay, guys. The word one has a plural form. When you use one as a pronoun, one can also have a plural form, and the plural form of one is ones. Now, guys, let's understand how we use the pronoun ones. We use the pronoun ones to replace a plural noun that is already mentioned in your sentence. We use the pronoun ones to replace a plural noun that is already repeated in the sentence in order to avoid repetition. Okay, guys, now let's take an example. She puts the clean dishes in the cabinet and the dirty dishes in the sink. Look, guys, there is a repetition. The repetition is dishes. She puts the clean dishes in the cabinet and the dirty dishes in the sink. So to avoid this repetition, you can use the pronoun ones. So you can say, she puts the clean dishes in the cabinet and the dirty ones in the sink. Now, if you speak English like that, your English sounds more like native English. You understand? Now you sound like a person who has a high level in English. So guys, you have to avoid making repetition when you are speaking English. Okay, guys? So I want to tell you that one is singular. This is a pronoun that we use to replace a singular noun that is already repeated in the sentence. In ones, which is its plural form, we use it to replace a plural noun that is already repeated in the sentence in order to avoid repetition. Okay, guys, it was all for today, guys. If you really enjoyed the class, I recommend that you guys subscribe right now to my channel, and don't forget, guys, to activate the notifications for you guys to get all the next video that I'm going to send. Okay, guys, see you then for another very interesting and beautiful English class. Ciao.